Welcome to Career Vocational Workshop, the Digitability Work Simulation project from Edison High School's Career Readiness Program. The students in the Career Readiness Program worked together to create a website to showcase what students do in the classroom, what they focus on, and what they learn. Each student got to partake in creating a portion of the website to show themselves and their strengths.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Marlene Morales, a career vocational readiness teacher for periods 2 and 3 at Edison High.
And I'm Mrs. Nicole Gregoire, and I'm also a career vocational readiness co-teacher for period 2 at Edison High School.
So our Digitability Work Simulation project is called Career Vocational Workshop. We are displaying all of our projects and our work on our classroom website that the students also incorporate their information on, along with their pictures, their bio, and their application process and their resumes. So we focus on developing working skills with students, along with communication and hands-on skills.
Some of the projects we completed this year are Thanksgiving home decor, rose pens for Valentine's Day, monster pencils, holiday ornaments, and pots of gold for St. Patrick's Day.
On this page, you will see that there is a picture of the final product of a Google form for staff members to place their orders.
The class partnered with Amazon, Sam's Club, and the Dollar Tree for supplies to complete their work simulation projects. Vote for Edison High School in Digitability's work simulation competition today.